What's going on, my virtual home? How's everybody doing? So, guys, today we have a actually an unboxing, and it's going to be an Amazon product review that we have for you guys today. I'm so excited to share with you guys a product that was purchased, and I said, you know what? Instead of just like, moving on with the whole process after I pick up this product, I might as well show it to you. Guys, as you know, here in my virtual home, we talk about a variety of things. Business, different type of products, lifestyle, passive income, and more. So with that being said, guys, we are doing an Amazon product review. This here is the handy dandy product that we are going to be reviewing today. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? Well, hey, if you guess that it is a clothing product, you will be correct. So yeah, guys, we actually have a clothing product that we're going to be showing you guys and just kind of like doing a unboxing on. Yeah, so that's exactly what it is. It's a clothing product. Not only is it a clothing product, this is actually going to be the first, if I'm not mistaken, the first costume. Guys, we are reviewing a costume today. How fun, guys. And I must say, it is a sexy costume. So, y'all be ready for that. So, guys, yeah, we're reviewing a very sexy costume. Okay, give me your guess. Don't watch the whole video, but put us in the comments. Put in the comments what kind of sexy costume do you think is in this bag? Let us know in the comments, okay? And of course, you're gonna know the answer by the end of this video. But yeah, let us know what you think it is. It's a costume, so it's something that you can actually guess, okay? Um, so it is a sexy costume. I believe Amazon is a good place for regular costumes, kids costumes, as well as sexy costumes. So guys, hey, if you're in the market for something new, something exciting, something sexy, whether you want to go out in something sexy or you try to do something sexy at home, don't overlook Amazon as an option, okay? Speaking of, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this costume. I was able to, I know some things cannot be delivered to lockers. So y'all keep that in mind. Amazon has lockers at convenient locations like stores and I don't know, libraries or whatever. And you can actually pick up your product from a locker. Well, this was actually delivered to a locker. And I say without further ado, let's take a look at the sexy costume. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead. Y'all, if y'all been here a while, y'all know that I used to have this handy dandy blade. Oh, I actually have one. Almost forgot. I had a blade that used to go with this electronic repair kit that I did a video on a few years ago. But yeah, I do have a blade here, so we're gonna make sure we don't cut the costume. I don't want that. But we are gonna allow this blade to kind of help us open this package. So I think this is a good place. We're gonna carefully cut away from ourselves and use the blade. Alright. So I'm gonna put the blade away safely. I'm going to retract the blade and put it away. Alright, so we have this costume. Opening it up now. I love that it's a bag inside of a bag. Okay. Alright, so this bag is now empty. This is the costume. And it says that it was made in China. I'm going to put the link to this costume in case you guys like it for yourself or someone else. But I bet you can guess what it is now. Let us know in the comments. But guys, check this out. I'm going to actually use this blade again. This paper is very thick, which is a very good thing. Very, very good thing. All right. Retract our blade. All right, so here we go. Let's check it out, guys. I believe it's a 3-piece situation. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna give an honest review. Now I believe this is like the little hat, like the little doctor's hat. I am seeing just a teeny weeny stain right there. Okay, don't like that too much, but hey, it's nothing that cannot be. It doesn't. It's not like a full deterioration or, um, cosmetic error that cannot be taken care of. Yeah, it looks like just a smaller fabric stain, but this I believe is like the hat or so. And let's see. All right, so. Oh, okay. So I believe it goes inside of this little loop there, and then you would like open on that side, and then flip it on this side, and then you kind of have like a little medic's hat. This is the only piece that I will possibly try on, but if we can, let me see. I think the band. Okay, so that's like the band. And then if we can just slide this part into the band, then bring this over. Let's get this band back in place. Then we can, it might be easier just to kind of put it on to the product. Okay. And then you can kind of like place this. Now, one thing that you can do to kind of keep this in place, if you have like bobby pins or things like that, you may be able to kind of like put the bobby pins through your hairstyle to kind of like sit this in place. But isn't that so cute? So you have that. And then the one thing about this particular costume, guys, it was like a one size fits most type of situation. So yeah, we have this like teeny weeny bikini type of situation, but it can get sexy as long as as long as it covers like what it's supposed to cover. I think you can fit this to your liking. But this is what it looks like, and then it does have the snap bra snap right there, and it does have, I believe, 3 different sizes to kind of fit the bra strap to your liking. The hat stays on fairly well, but like I said, you could get maybe some bobby pins and then pin them down into your hairstyle, and that might actually help kind of keep that in place. All right, so we have this. I think this would be great with some like red stockings, like some red maybe fishnet stockings, guys. I don't know, what would you pair this with? Let us know. So you do have the top. Why isn't this sexy? So looks like you have bikini bottoms right here. So you got that part, and then the band, and then this is an adjustable bottom piece, kind of where the string goes. Um, Cute? Let us know in the comments. All right. And lastly, so this is like a four-piece set. Lastly, you have this little, looks like a skirt. Um, yeah, and I think it's super cute. The fabric is polyester. So that's what we have, guys. You have the skirt, the nurse's thong. Then you have the nurse's, let me say, it's a bustier. So you have that along with the hat. Guys, let us know if you like this uh, costume in the comments. Let us know if it is on the sexy radar for you. Guys, that there you have it. I'm going to put the link to the costume as well as I believe there should be like a general costume page on Amazon, and then I put the link to like a maybe a sexy costumes for women page, just so you can kind of like find what you're looking for. But yeah, if you're looking for a costume, consider Amazon and consider shopping through our links. Every time you shop through our links, we get a small percentage of the sale. It does help support the network so that we can bring you greater content. With that being said, guys, if you like the video, like the video. If you want to be a part of our family, subscribe to the network. You can let us know in the comments that you subscribe so we can just love all over you. And then if you want to be the very first to get content from us, as soon as we drop content, hit the bell notification above and we'll be able to drop. When we drop content, you will actually get a notification. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.